Hello everybody, welcome to the first episode of this series, JLT. Yep, that stands for Jackie Learns Things, so stay tuned for this video and comment down below if you have any other ideas on things I can learn, so yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, welcome to my first video on this channel. JLT stands for Jack Learns Things, and today we'll be learning how to do a bird call. Okay, so this is day one, as you can tell, so I don't really, so this time is going to be the first time I'm going to be trying like without like a video to help me, and then day two, which will be tomorrow, I'll try a video, and hopefully like a video will help me out. Let's try. This is day one. I'm assuming, based on how you go like, I saw people do it. I searched it up, so like they go like that, I think, and go blow. Let me try it this way. Well, I guess that doesn't help me at all, so yeah, I'm going to be trying. Well, I'm feeling a bit lightheaded, but I'm going to be trying constantly, and then I'll keep you updated from tomorrow. I was trying for ages and ages, even hours, but no improvement. But I hope I got better tomorrow. Okay, so day two, and hopefully I've improved. So I've been practicing. As you can probably tell, my voice is a bit, sore, because I was doing it like I woke up at like about 12ish, wondering if I can do it. So let's see. I did it as well. I did it. You know what? I think a video. I'm gonna watch a video, and hopefully the video will help me. So let's just currently watch a video. Alright, so the video, it said you go like that, apparently. Like that. Then you bring that up, and then you put them together and slide that, so it's supposed to look like that. It worked! It worked! Oh, it also says you have to blow on your knuckles, and blow down. It also says don't blow too hard, but don't blow soft. So okay. It works. Okay, I'll do one more last attempt, and then I'm going to bed because I'm pretty tired, so. Alright, I'm going to bed now. See you guys in the morning. Bet you didn't expect me to come from down there, did you? Alright, I've been studying the ways of the bird call, or just a whistle for your hands. And this is, I hope I can do it in this day. So, I know I forgot to do it yesterday, so technically this is day 5. But that's not going to stop me. Since day 2, 3. So 2 days I've been practicing. So, let's see if I've improved. Alright. Cup ya. So, hand like that. Hand like that. Pinky thing into like the flap of skin. Cup that. Bring that up. Put your thumbs together. Make sure it's airtight, so squeeze tight and go. Ah, I'm getting close. Oh. I did it. I did it yesterday. That's one point. So there we go. I did it. I did it. But so the first bird call thing, I'm not going to be bothered doing it. But this is going to be like like a wood pigeon. Yeah, like the white pigeons. I'm gonna try and do a wood pigeon. So let's start off with the wood pigeon. Yes, I did very well there. So okay, so guys, a bit of a short video for my first video of like Jackie learns things. So there might be food stuff in there. So put in the comments down below what else you think I should like. What else you think I should like practice and learn. So hope you enjoyed it and goodbye.